Alright. In this particular video, we're going to learn how to generate palindrome numbers within a given range. To do this, we're going to modify our previous code, the code written inside of the main method, and we're going to suit our needs. So for doing this, the first thing that we need is we're going to take two numbers from the user, which would form the range. So let's say the user wants palindrome numbers between, let's say, 100 and 100 to, let's say, 300. Okay, so 100 forms the lower bound and 300 forms the upper bound. These two quantities we're going to take as input from the user. Next, what we're going to do? Next, we're going to run a loop which would run from LB to UB. Now, the I would contain all the values that lie between the range 100 and 300. Next, we're going to check whether I is a palindrome number or not. So if check palindrome I is true, then we're going to display I, comma separated. But if it is not, then we're simply going to ignore that number. So I would ask you to pause this video right now and try this program by yourself. You've already seen programs from before and how to convert uh, a normal program to a generating program. So I would urge you to pause this video right now and have a go at it. Try for yourself and see if you can do it. The solution will come up in 3, 2. All right. So this is the previous program that we have written. I'm going to copy this. We're going to create a new gibberish. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to change a few things. Palindrome will be changed to palindrome generate. Change object creation statement as well. Now, instead of taking a single number as input, we're going to change it to enter lower bound. It's going to be called LB. Copy this, paste it, upper bound. We can run a for loop. Plus. Now, instead of checking for a single number, we will check whether I is palindrome or not. And if it is, then we will display that. X tab here, and then instead of now it is I, and if it is a palindrome number, it's going to be displayed in a comma separated fashion. And if it is not, we're simply going to compile it. Let's run this. Okay, with the lower bound 100, 300. These are the palindrome numbers that exist between 100 and 100. It would be better if we add a few messages to our output. So I'm going to do that just now. System out add a new line so that there is a little bit of spacing. Between R table. That's it. Let's run this for 100. So I hope you understood how a generation process is done. It's basically the same thing for every program. The template is same. Just need to call the respective function to check whether number is palindrome, Armstrong number, right? So hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.